Welcome to today's breakdown of the Citi Double Cash credit card, one of the standout credit cards for 2024. In this video, we will cover all the essential details including cashback, features, bonuses, fees, and potential drawbacks. By the end, you should have a clear understanding of whether this card fits your needs. Starting with its core feature, the Citi Double Cash offers a straightforward cashback structure. You will earn 2% on every purchase, 1% when you make the purchase, and another 1% when you pay it off. The simple and consistent reward system makes it easy to use without tracking special categories or restrictions. Additionally, there is a limited time bonus for 2024, 5% cashback on hotels and car rentals when booked through the City Travel Portal. This offer is valid through the end of the year, making it a great perk for those who plan to travel. A recent update to this card has made it even more attractive. A $200 cashback bonus. To qualify, all that's needed is to spend at least $1,500 in the first 6 months of the card membership. The introductory offer adds significant value, especially since earlier versions of this card didn't include any kind of sign-up bonuses. The Citi Double Cash card comes with no annual fee, which is great for those who don't want to worry about yearly costs. However, there are a few other fees to be aware of. The purchase APR ranges from 19.24% to 29.24% depending on your credit score. There is 0% APR for balance transfer for the first 18 months, but after that the APR reverts to 19.24 to 29.24%. A fee of 3% to 5% applies to balance transfers, so consider this if you are planning to consolidate debts. The foreign transaction fee is 3%, making this card less ideal for international use. There is no fees for unauthorized transactions, though you will be covered if the card is lost or stolen. In terms of security, the Citi Double Cash provides 24/7 fraud protection, so any unusual activity on the account will trigger an alert. Additionally, it includes ID theft protection through MasterCard, and there is zero liability on unauthorized purchases, whether someone uses the physical card or just the card number online. One key drawback to note is the 3% foreign transaction fee. So, if the international travel is a priority, another card with no foreign transaction fee may be better for you. Another downside is the lack of specialized cashback categories outside of the 5% offer on hotels and car rentals. While 2% across the board is solid, having extra rewards in categories like groceries or gas could make this card even more competitive. So, to sum up this review, the Citi Double Cash credit card remains one of the best no annual fee cards on the market thanks to its 2% cashback structure, security features, and the newly added $200 sign up bonus. However, the 3% foreign transaction fee and limited bonus categories might encourage some to pair this card with another that offers more flexibility for those looking for a simple, no fuss rewards card, though it's still a great option in 2024. So, if you want to apply for it, I will put the link of it down in the description. So, click on that link and come to this page. Here, you can review the details that I have given you in the review. And once you want to apply for it, click on the Apply Now button and you will be redirected on the application page. Here, you need to provide your personal details and submit your application. Once approved, you will be get notified on your email. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.